Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों. Hello, how are you all my dear friend? I hope all my dear friend is very well. Thank you so much once again for joining. तो दोस्तों एक बार फिर से आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ. आज एक हम नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ बात करेंगे आपके साथ. तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ और आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से जो मालूमात है तमाम तर आपको बताऊंगा. आज का मेरा टॉपिक है गेट लाइव बोनस टास्क लॉन्च पूल कैंडी ड्रॉप अल्फा ZKWASM प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू और रिव्यू दूंगा आपको इसी प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर. तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ. स्काईफॉल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड? आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज वेरी वेल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो दोस्तों इंशाल्लाह आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से तमाम तर रिव्यू देने वाला हूँ. तो गौर से सुनिएगा और मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच all of you once again. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों आज का प्रोजेक्ट और उस पर रिव्यू देता हूं आपको. स्काईफॉल, थैंक यू. अगेंटो 82, थैंक यू सो मच अगेंटो. एंड अदर गेट द फ्रेंड, थैंक यू so much all of you. So let's start the project now my dear friends. Take USDT as ZKWASM to earn airdrop. Thank you. Gate will launch the 285 launch pool ZKWASM and stake USDT ZKWASM to earn airdrop. Gate will launch the 285 launch pool ZKWASM. User can stake USD and ZKWASM to earn 500,000 ZKWASM airdrop for free with the reward distribute every hour. Thank you so much all of you. Now staking period July 22, 2025 at 12 and July 29, 2022 at 12 UTC. तो स्टेक करते हैं इसको. स्टेक टू अर्न. थैंक यू सो मच, आपका शुक्रिया. थैंक यू सो मच. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको बताते हैं स्टेक टू अर्न. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू केट यूजर फ्रेंड, शुक्रिया. ZKWASM. The Delpens Labs is the core development team beyond the ZKWASM, the first open source virtual machine eligible zero knowledgeable proof of the generation for web assembly. WASM, it is a enable to vibration of chain competition and sport model roll-up architecture. The system value 5 mini games based by top their investor and Binance Labs taking capital scalable structure web3 application. Thank you so much once again. तो ये था ZKWASM. अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं, आपको इसकी वेबसाइट पे ले चलेंगे, लेकिन थोड़ा सा पहले प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन करवा दूं आप दोस्तों को. थैंक यू सो मच. मताई अली एंड बिटवेल क्रिप्टो मेक टू मनी and Tukalo. Thank you so much, Tukalo. Santosho Nokomito. Now the project introduction. First of all, I tell you, my dear friend, the total staking reward 250,000 ZKWASM. Mining period 7 days. And the total reward 500,000 ZKWASM. Total staking 12336699.68 ZKWASM. Now participation 3961. Price hourly cap 1488.09 ZKWASM. Individual hourly cap 208.33 ZKM and APR 240.6%. Individual now staking 100,000 ZKWASM. तो दोस्तों ये है ZKWASM. थैंक यू. नो टाइम मुश्ताक, थैंक यू सो मच मुश्ताक एंड अदर फ्रेंड. तो अभी चलते हैं इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की जानिब, और इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट आपको विजिट कराते हैं। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। यू सी माय डियर फ्रेंड द website of this. Thank you my dear friend. And now the beautiful website, the prepare and app byte codes. Thank you so much little queen and menu. Thank you so much. Now the WASM web assembly is a open standard barrier code to format close to the assembly to the leverage of power of ZKWSAM. Developer need to compliance application using a comprehensive to the support WASM as a blade as the backend by system. So the next one is my different ZKWASM Explorer. Thank you. Demont and Mammon 666 Mammon. ZKWSAM Hub is the hosted code service and fund the sharing ZKWSM application image it automatic providing and the paging service with the customer. ZKWSM is the supported the promptless typing and there was the ecosystem. Join the force providing our applications. Thank you so much once of all of you, Skyfall, Little Queen and Bitman Crypto. The ZKWSM virtual machine ZKWSAM is a added provider the interrogation extension of the WASM application and service the translate adventure to between the application running WASM retained from the smart contract on virtual blockchain. Thank you. The mission is to provide Web2 developer tools to the leverage and power of Web3 their applications. Thank you so much, Priya. Thank you so much, Priya, for joining. Oh, Priya, Sudo Priya. Mere nano mera roho Priya. Priya, thank you so much, Priya. Now the Crypto Princess joined my live stream. Thank you so much for joining, Crypto Princess. So the ZKWASM development services on click and the hub on the chain development platform that enable guest chain against developer and the application leverage with the ecosystem for the complete Web3 development experience. Thank you so much, Elbron. Thank you so much, Elbron. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और दिखाते हैं आपको ZKWASM टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। और यहाँ पर टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आपको दिखाता चलूँ। टोटल सप्लाई फिक्स्ड 1000000 टोकन, करंट सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई 76616,892, 7.66% token. Thank you, huge, thank you so much. And now that token max utilities launch paid. Thank you so much. Stake to earn early access to reward access exclusive project allocation and development, one check development status and premier templates and tooling. Power network the pay fees to guarantee ZK proof earned from the generation revenue. The governance vote on protocol upgrade resource allocation discussion. Thank you so much. Now the investor. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Now you see my project ZKWASM. Thank you so much all of you once again. Thank you. Seema, Sam, 888, thank you. Now this is the investor of this my dear friend. This is the main investor of this. तो अभी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे मौजूद हैं. अभी आपको ले चलते हैं एक्सप्लोरर की जानिब. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द एक्सप्लोरर. Thank you all of you. Sam, Obi, Mustafa. Thank you so much, Obi, Mustafa. Now the ZK Task Explorer. Thank you so much. The see the earn and MD5 cash ODEX tax. तो ये आपके सामने मौजूद है ग्राफ वगैरह, तो आप देख सकते हैं एक्सप्लोरर के ऊपर. इसकी वेबसाइट टास्क हिस्ट्री आप देख सकते हैं. दिस इज द टास्क हिस्ट्री. task ID, application, publication type, and submit. Thank you. And the next one is the proof of task, about, auto submit, proof of history, and another. Round 1, round 2. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much for joining. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। तो ये आपको दिखा रहा था दोस्तों। आप वापसी चलते हैं और आपको दिखाते हैं जी ऐप एंड GitHub. Thank you so much for the GitHub. Now you see the develop GitHub. Thank you so much all of you. ZK, WSM, many browser और ये मुख्तलिफ से ग्राफ व्यू ऑल ऑफ रिस्पेक्टेड तमाम चीज़ें आपके सामने मौजूद हैं दोस्तों। अभी हम चलते हैं वापसी की जानिब। थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप दोस्तों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। नाउ एप्स आपके सामने है, इसकी एप्स और डिप्लोमेंट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द डिप्लोमेंट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। Secure ZKS, thank you so much. Now the Deplo ZK application with easy. Now the end-to-end development platform of ZK WSM application with the growth, entertainment and the development daily version blockchain and maintain talent. Thank you so much. Agrotone MD Jaffer Ahmed, thank you so much. Why you stop? Thank you so much for joining. तो आगे चलते हैं. Now you see the deeply depths instantly on. Thank you so much for the joining. तो आपके सामने मौजूद हैं. Choose your development path. Thank you so much. Once again, my dear friend, आपका शुक्रिया. The power of development future. Our platform provides everything you need to deeply ZK application. Now the secure development, end-to-end secure development process with the authentication and authorized checks. Thank you so much once again. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. हमेश, thank you, and Hamza Naseem, thank you so much Hamza and Hamish. Welcome to join my live stream. Have a nice day, all of you. Good to see you, my lovely friend Hamish and Hamza. Thank you so much Hamza. तो आगे चलते हैं. द फर्स्ट एड इफेक्टेड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट पाइपलाइन फॉर द ZK WAS ZK was seen application with the minimal step time. Thank you so much Dadu KM. Thank you Dadu Dode. Thank you so much. And CryptoDew, thank you. Thank you so much for joining CryptoDew. वालेकुम सलाम क्रिप्टोलू, कैसे हैं आप? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. एंड हाउ आर यू क्रिप्टोलू? नाउ द डेट किम, थैंक यू सो मच डेट किम. नाउ द स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इंटरोगेशन, द सीमलेस deeply and confusion token and proxy contract for your application. Now environment management, Shimulus, thank you so much for joining Shimulus. Easily switch between the maintain and tenant environment with the appropriate configuration. Thank you. Ready to the development of your ZKWSM app. Thank you Crypto New. I am fine and you? I am good my dear friend Crypto New. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. आप सुनाएं, आज क्या आपने अपनी स्ट्रीम कर ली? CryptoLu, thank you so much for joining. Now the ready to deeply your ZK app. Sign up now to get started with our development platform and bring to your day. Thank you so much of this. एक बार फिर से आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. CryptoLu नहीं करनी है 9 बजे. ओके, नोटेड माय डियर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया. तो दोस्तों हमने बात की है आपके सामने. अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. सॉरी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. एक बार फिर से आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ. तो चलते हैं, अभी हम इसके वाइट पेज को तलाश करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया. नाउ द वाइट पेपर ऑफ दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच लेपो. थैंक यू सो मच लेपो फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. So make to money, thank you so much. Make to money. Oh, thank you so much. What is this? Thank you ZKWSM and Implorer. Thank you for joining. आपका शुक्रिया. तो चलते हैं, आपको इसके व्हाइट पेपर की तरफ ले चलते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो अभी आपको दिखाते हैं दोबारा से. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड. आपका शुक्रिया. तो आप देख सकते हैं मेक टू मनी. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो ल्यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Thank you so much of joining, my dear friend. Thank you for documentation. First of all, I tell you the documentation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift. Crypto Liu की तरफ से खूबसूरत गिफ्ट आया है दोस्तों के लिए. Thank you Crypto Liu. आपका शुक्रिया गिफ्ट देने के लिए. Thank you so much Crypto Liu. Thank you so much my dear friend Crypto Liu. तो दोस्तों क्रिप्टो ल्यू ने आप तमाम दोस्तों के लिए एक खूबसूरत सा गिफ्ट लगाया है. तो गिफ्ट लेना मत भूलिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर द गिफ्ट क्रिप्टो ल्यू. शगोई, थैंक यू सो मच शगोई. वेलकम टू वेलकम टू द गिफ्ट. एक अनदर गिफ्ट. आज मुझे बहुत सारे गिफ्ट मिल रहे हैं. क्रिप्टो ल्यू की तरफ से भी मिला, जॉन चैंपियन की तरफ से भी मिला, द जेड के और गेट डाटा आईओ की तरफ से भी मिला. थैंक यू सो मच. द ZKWASM ZK Wasim. Development, respect, focus on the building trust blockchain application using the ZKWASM, the related to technology. It will the start of sticker from the understanding blockchain and the zero knowledge proof to learning the basis and architecture of ZK Wasim, and then to the development and complete application along you to transform from the beginner of advanced ZKWASM. Thank you so much Crypto Lou for joining. Thank you so much for joining Serigol. Thank you. Thank you Happy. Happy Triple A. Thank you so much Happy. So dear friend, this is the white paper of this. Next one. Our courses, the development, respect can be service to both an introductory, trustee, beginner, and the reference manual of the development ZKWS applications. Each chapter corresponding to the step into the development and the full stack ZKWS application. Thank you so much, TechTapit. TechTapit, no any comments, my dear friend. Why? Thank you for joining, but TechTapit, thank you so much. So let's move forward, my dear friend. Note, this is still to work and progress. We will keep upgrading it with the latest information and participation, learning and experience. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend. Learning and experience. Crypto welcome all of you to join the live stream. Thank you Crypto. आपका शुक्रिया, आप दोस्तों को भी ज्वाइन करवा रहे हैं. Abdul Fateh, thank you. Beautiful name, Abdul Fateh. Thank you for joining, Abdul Fateh. So learning and experience. Here what you can expect from the respect workflow, a smooth development learning experience following the lean designing development today develop workflow. Now tools, useful tools and guidance for the developing games, web and backend application. Guidance step by step and example participation guide content format. Thank you so much for joining, dear friend. Now the text, clear and concise explanation to help understanding and the concept to the participation. Candy step to step example to guide you through the development process. Video, visual example to the help and understand to the concept and participation. Quiz test your understanding of the concept and principles. Now the seamless force, the FAQ answer to question asked, and you will follow build skill and to the confidence in the following area. Thank you so much once again, Nerab. Thank you so much, Nerab. So once again, I tell you, my dear friend, you will build to skill and confidence in the following areas: blockchain and ZKWS, earning, application design, foreign development with the stacked TypeScript and Web3 library. And now the blockchain, the backend development with the result and ZKWASM, environment step and testing development and deployment. This will equal you to the build your own ZKWASM application from the ground up completing the development respected you have survival extending Potosh of the Explorer. Now the Hexstones. Thank you so much, Victory, Little Queen. Thank you so much. Shukr, Alhamdulillah. So, Octomate puts your skill to test by the participation in HeadTech across version ecosystem and the switching ZKWASM process. Now, entrepreneurship. E. Mubarak. Now, embark of the entertainment genre by the building your own initiative product and starting company with the spirit of the discipline. Thank you, Tree Moment, Make to Money, and other friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now the next one, the environment step and testing, joining, and the development. This will equal up to the built hour on the ZK Wasim application from the ground up. Now the upon completing in the development respect you have survival extend the pay to the explorer. Thank you, geared user. Now the Hacktoons put your skill to the test by the participation in the Hacktoon across version ecosystem and switching your ZKWASM power interpretation. ये तो हो गया था ecosystem पे हम बात कर रहे हैं. Thank you so much. Now the ecosystem contribution to the growth of the ZKWASM ecosystem by the creating stational tools and libraries with the grant from the Driblins Lab. Thank you so much for joining. Crypto MacBook ने हमें join किया है. Thank you, Crypto MacBook. And overview. Thank you so much. Now the career development. Launch your career as a sought after full the stake development in the Think blockchain industry. Now the academic research. Dual deeper and automatic reward basing by the on a ZKWASM and the pushing to the boundaries of this cutting edge technology. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook की तरफ से. Hi everyone. Thank you for joining, Crypto MacBook. Thank you for joining. How are you, my dear friend, Crypto MacBook? Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining, Crypto MacBook. So the Academy Research के ऊपर हम बात कर लेते हैं दोस्तों. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. अभी आपको बताता हूँ. Thank you so much for joining once again. My dear friend Taktapit, thank you so much for joining Taktapit. Now the Academy Research, Crypto MacBook. I am good, my dear friend. Thank you for joining and thank you for the comments, my dear friend Crypto MacBook. Now the Academy Research development deeper into the Academy realm by the processing research on the ZKWAS and the pushing to the boundaries of this cutting technology. Discover opportunities. Thank you so much. Welcome Shining Moon to join my live stream. Thank you so much Shining Moon. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए शाइनिंग मून. थैंक यू सो मच. आज दिन में अगर आपकी लाइव स्ट्रीम हो चुकी है तो उसके लिए माजरत खा हूँ, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ सिटी होने की वजह से मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर सका. अगर आपने नहीं की, अगर करेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह ज्वाइन करूँगा. अभी आया हूँ तो इस टाइम मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. द प्रूफ फॉर 25. थैंक यू सो मच प्रूफ फॉर. थैंक यू शाइनिंग मून. So the discover opportunities, the discover continues to the opportunities to apply your newfound experience and make your mark in the world of blockchain and Z0 knowledge proof. Thank you so much once again. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. Ready to get started. The next one is ready to get started. Thank you Crypto MacBook for joining. Thank you for the comments, my dear friend Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook. आपका शुक्रिया. Dear friend, thank you so much. Santoshu Nukomito, thank you. Now ready to get started. Shining Moon, शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Here are a few steps you should wait to ensure the great development experience. Thank you Crypto MacBook. Also good to see you my dear friend Crypto MacBook. Now join the Discord community. The Develop Slate Discord community. Ask questions, share your ideas and get help from the community. The best way to the learn to teaching if you see the other to the stock them help out of the. Thank you so much for joining once again. Now there are also many event activity organized by the community which you can participate. Now the join the Telegram DV chart. Thank you so much DV chart of Telegram. Thank you Shining Moon once again. आपका शुक्रिया and good to see you Shining Moon. Thank you so much. Join the Telegram DV chat. Please DM the developer relation team. Direct message the developer relation team to be invite the Telegram chat group. You can get help from the development relation team. Also you will be able to the connect with other developers. Please also give us your feedback and suggestion on how to improve the development experience. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook and Shining Star. So getting started. Now the quick tutorial. Get started quickly with the hands on the tutorial. Setup guide. Set up your development environment and get ready. Core concept and start learning ZK overview. Thank you so much for joining. तो ये इसके मुख्तलिफ हैं. अभी हम चलते हैं सबसे पहले क्विक ट्रेसरी की जानिब. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. द क्विक ट्रेसरी. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook, Shining Moon and Iftal Patient. Thank you. Now the guideline. The tutorial will guide to your thought process of the creating simple ZKWS application in the minutes. Please make sure you have already step to environment by the following step environment guide. तो ये इसके स्टेप हैं दोस्तों, आप देख सकते हैं. क्विक स्टार्ट विद द ZKWS DAPI. और अभी आपको बताता हूँ इसकी स्टेप की जानी. नाउ द स्टेप 1, इंस्टॉल द ZKWASM मिनी रोलअप सर्विस. थैंक यू सो मच सनराइन. थैंक यू सो मच सनराइन. शाइनिंग मून आपका शुक्रिया एक बार फिर से कमेंट्स करने के लिए. हैव अ नाइस डे शाइनिंग मून. थैंक यू सो मच. Very nice stream. Thank you for the supporting Shining Moon. Now the step 1, install the ZKWSM and mini rollup service. The ZKWSM mini rollup service is a RESTful service they provide the ZKWASM. Now return the environment, it provides this following function. Thank you if there are appearance. Thank you so much for joining. आपका शुक्रिया. तो आगे चलते हैं. The service the ZKWSAM return to environment provide the ZKWS REST ABI VIP. Thank you so much. The maintain the ZKWASM the stats thought market tree enable to database and reads. Thank you so much. Now the calculate the new market tree when the receiving the ZKWSM transaction each by the settlement. Get one the ZKWSM mini roll-up service. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shining Moon. Crypto, I welcome. Thank you for joining. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. शाइनिंग मून आल्सो गुड टू सी यू. आपके आने से मेरी स्ट्रीम पर शाइनिंग आ जाती है. थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग मून. और क्रिप्टोल्यू ने दोबारा हमें ज्वाइन किया है. थैंक यू. क्रिप्टोल्यू भी शाइनिंग मून को वेलकम कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू. Now get the ZKWSM mini rollup service. You can get the ZKWSM the mini rollup secured by the closing treasury. Now the or download the zip from the GitHub. Thank you so much for joining. मुश्ताक 22 और शाइनिंग मून ने भी ल्यू को वेलकम कर दिया है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों. गेट द ZKWSM मिनी रोल अप बता दिया. स्टार्ट द ZKWSM मिनी रोल अप सर्विस. थैंक यू सो मच. शाइनिंग मून मेरी लाइफ में आना 9 बजे. शाइनिंग मून थैंक यू सो मच. एंड क्रिप्टोल्यू थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका और दावत देने का भी शुक्रिया. आपने शाइनिंग मून को भी दावत दी अपनी स्ट्रीम की और मुझे भी. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टोल्यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you so much all of you once again. Shining Moon, Crypto MacBook and also CryptoLu. Thank you all of you. तो आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों. Now in the road discover to the ZKWSM mini roll-up service run. Thank you so much. Now make sure you are running environment the permission to access the dark daemon. The command the start talker continue the ZKWASM. Thank you. So now step 2, get the template project. Clone the template project the hello world rollup. Thank you so much. Make 2 money. Thank you so much. Now the after the install the dependent complete task, they will granted to GS code in the directly and faculty the back service running and the testing. Build the project using Make. Step number 3. Now run the roll up application. तो ये उसकी application आप देख सकते हैं. This will start to base service by the made your shall see and the complete of following. Thank you so much. Now congratulations, you have the successful started. Thank you so much for joining. Now congratulations, you have successfully started the ZKWSM rollup application. However, the order to build your own rollup application, you need to understand the core compensation of the ZKWSM rollup application. Now step number 4, the code overview. Thank you so much. The code overview. Let's example the comprehensive of your ZKWSM application. This hello world to roll up application is structured into the survival result file and handling specific technology. Thank you so much CryptoLu and over and the over and VIP. Thank you so much VIP and over. Now the service side code back code maintain entry point. तो आपके सामने मौजूद है मुख्तलिफ entry points. आप देख सकते हैं The above the code including the following key competence that enables result JavaScript interoperability, provide the core ZKWSM functional and the macro generation necessary API adoption. Thank you so much. Huge and Tendo. Thank you so much, Huge and Tendo. तो आपके सामने मौजूद, आगे चलते हैं. The core fig struct defense application construction provide JSON centralization for the con value and the control auto ticket behavior. The system will automatically advance the latest store tick event flexion time based on the state transaction in the ZKWSM retain. Now the note current the time environment to set 5 seconds in the server side, which you can modify the service file in the SRC direction for the ZKWS to server package. Thank you. Settlement management. Thank you so much. Good job. Thank you so much for joining and thank for the comment. Shining Moon, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. आपने अगर अपनी स्ट्रीम कर ली है तो माजरत खा हूँ, थोड़ा सा लेट आया था इस वजह से ज्वाइन नहीं कर सका. अगर नहीं की तो टाइम बताइएगा प्लीज, इंशाल्लाह आपको ज्वाइन करूँगा. थैंक यू टक बिट वंस अगेन. सो द सेटलमेंट मैनेजमेंट आपके सामने है. Now next one is, my dear friend, hand-free withdraw the information, convert the settlement data of byte to processing, implements flash mechanism for the batch processing. Thank you. Now the state management. This is the state management of this, my dear friend. The player data struct. Thank you so much, crypto champion. आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you so much for joining. Gear life total. So my dear friend, now you see today my topic, Gear Life bonus stock launch pool candy drop alpha ZKWASM project review. और रिव्यू के साथ मौजूद हैं हम इस टाइम व्हाइट पेपर के ऊपर, और आपको बता रहा हूं व्हाइट पेपर. डिफेंस प्लेयर स्पेसिफिक्स एंड स्ट्रक्चर विद द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फील्ड implementation DeFi tried installation new player with the contract set to 0. Now the implementation strong data storage data trial the data centralization and decentralization concept type of the player. Thank you so much. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अभी चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको थोड़ी सी मजीद मालूमात देता हूं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग स्टार. अच्छा, छुपे रिश्ता हमें हर वक्त आने और खुद ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं. थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग स्टार. Thank you for joining once again, my dear friend. Now the maintains global started with the content field, the concenter you base to the track number of the transaction process. Thank you so much shining star. हमारे टाइम पर आपके पास पैकेज नहीं होता. Thank you for joining. तो चलते हैं हम अभी आगे की जानिब और आपको मजीद मालूमात देते हैं. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Now the implementation and centralization of state concepts, snapshots, handle and settlement phishing, flushing and state update the such flashed settlement. Thank you so much once again. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अभी हम चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको मजीद मालूमात देते हैं. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू वंस अगेन. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. टॉपिक के ऊपर हम रहना चाहेंगे और आपको अपने टॉपिक के हवाले से ही बता रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. नाउ वी कैन आल्सो द नोटिस द देयर इज ए ग्लोबल verbal state and file contract into the method. This is the state of the ZKWSM rollup application which shall be distribution from the center field. Thank you so much. Now the transaction handles. Thank you. I tell you my dear friend, transaction handles. You see my dear friend, many of transaction handles. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. नाउ वंस अगेन ये तमाम तर मालूमात वैसे ही हैं जिस तरह से हमने पहले आपको बताया था. थैंक यू सो मच. हैप्पी IMF. थैंक यू सो मच IMF, शाइनिंग मून एंड अदर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू Sam 888. Now the client side code, the front-end code. The client side code is the return to the type script with the provide a concept introduction introducing with the whole world ZKWS rollup application. Let's expand to by the comprehensive. Thank you so much for joining. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Two command concept the benefit for player installation for the contract interoperability. Help function and contract command value by the company transactions coin number operation and thank you so much for joining my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Thank you so much for joining. Sniper Queen, thank you to join my live stream. After live stream, I tell you, my dear friend, thank you so much. Okay, thank you for joining. Now the next one is Crypto Universe Lady. Join my live stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Universe Lady. आपका शुक्रिया. And also thanks for the comments, my dear friend. और Shining Moon मौजूद है हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर काफ़ी देर से और उन्होंने वेलकम भी किया है. थैंक यू सो मच. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया है. थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग मून एंड आल्सो शाइनिंग स्टार. थैंक यू सो मच. तो एक खूबसूरत कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी आ चुका है क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी की जाने से. वॉचिंग योर लाइव स्ट्रीम नेवर bring you instruct to the so will and make everyone feel including. Keep up the amazing work. You are definitely going to the reach great heights on the day. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. Crypto Universe Lady, आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और खूबसूरत कमेंट्स करने के लिए. हमें शाइनिंग स्टार ने भी ज्वाइन किया था लेकिन वो गुम है, शायद कहीं और मसरूफ होंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. गेम कमांड, thank you so much. And now transaction command, NFT commands, and now the player class. Thank you. This is the player class service, the maintain front integration with the rollup. Thank you so much all of you. Now the key method of this player class, ये method आपके सामने मौजूद है दोस्तों. चलते हैं हम ये. Thank you so much. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया है. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. गुड इवनिंग. और खूबसूरत सा कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी आ चुका है. क्रिप्टो आई you improving so much every stream. It is awesome to watch your channel grow day by day. Thank you for your lovely comments, Crypto Champion. Thanks for the comments, Crypto Champion. Thank you for the gift. Crypto Champion की तरफ से खूबसूरत गिफ्ट भी हमें मौसूल हो चुका है. हमेशा की तरह खूबसूरत गिफ्ट दिया हमें क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने. थैंक यू फॉर द गिफ्ट क्रिप्टो चैंपियन. Now the registered method, registered and new player in the system. Creative and send to installation transaction, handle potential area during the registration. Thank you XATZ. Thank you so much. शाइनिंग स्टार के लगते हैं बैटरी डाउन हो गई होगी हमारे पास पहुंचते पहुंचते. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ द यूजिंग example. Dawn. Thank you so much, Dawn. Here how to might the client side API to interact to test hard work ZKWS rollup back. That is the also a way to integration and API into your front application. तो एक और खूबसूरत सा कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से. You have created such a positive and fun community. It is always joy to the part of your stream. Thank you so much once again. आपका शुक्रिया. और क्रिप्टो लेडी का भी शुक्रिया. क्रिप्टो डॉल मिसिंग है, शायद आज मसरूफ होंगी. क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी ही उनको लेकर आ सकती हैं. क्रिप्टो डॉल मौजूद नहीं है. नाउ द स्टेप नंबर 5. नाउ द स्टेप नंबर 5. Thank you so much, Agriton. Thank you. Now the step number 5. Implementation your own rollup application. Now note, first of all, I tell you the note, my dear friend, this is the important. You may notice the process. It is actually for accepting the ZK Wasim rollup application. It is a required and used to sign the data every transaction to the ZK Wasim rollup application. In real implementation, you need to generate process from the user signature with the driven and unique message signed by the user private key. Please remind your user to keep this secure and explore to the public, as well as never sign in same message with the same private key. Thank you so much. This is the note of this. Thank you crypto champion, आपका शुक्रिया. And Acton, Crypto Liu, Crypto Universe Lady, another friend, thank you for joining. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. Thank you so much. Shining Moon, thank you so much for joining. Shining Moon. Now TT and the Lenny used. Crypto Universe Lady की तरफ से खूबसूरत एक और कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ चुका है. Watching your live stream never bring boring. You interact so well and make every feel, including keep up the amazing work. You are definitely going to the research great heights one day. Thank you so much for your lovely comments, lovely lady, Universe Lady, Crypto Universe Lady. Thank you. Now step number 5, implementation of your on rollup application. Crypto champion की तरफ से भी champion comments आ चुका है दोस्तों. Crypto I every time you go live the generally makes made it to better. You are amazing, entertainers, and the person. Thank you so much for the once again lovely and champion comments. The flasher. Thank you so much, flasher. Thank you. Now that you have the base understanding of the ZK Wasim rollup application, you can start to the implementation. You on application referring hold with the application. Now the first complete and hello world application by the implementation. The method increase center field in the player data stored when you have. Can you see? Thank you, Crypto Doll. Thank you so much for joining. तो क्रिप्टो डोल ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो डोल एंड रोनी हसन. तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. स्टेप 5 के बाद हम जा रहे हैं. नंबर 1, द प्लेयर आइडेंटिफिकेशन. when you want to access to the model the state of player, you need to identification player first in the hello world rollup application. The player in identification by the player ID, which is the unique identification derived from the player public key. Now hello IDO pair back to period and convert the public key to the player ID. क्रिप्टो डॉल ने आते ही खूबसूरत कॉम्प्लीमेंट हमें दे दिए. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो डॉल. Every time you go to live in generate makes made it better. You are amazing, entertaining person. Thank you so much Crypto Doll. Now another, you are improving to the much. Every stream is awesome to watch your journey growth day by day. Thank you. The next one, my dear friend Crypto Doll. The stream is pure joy from the content, your reaction, everything just perfect, enjoyable for एंगेजमेंट. थैंक यू वंस अगेन. और खूबसूरत से खूबसूरत एक के ऊपर एक क्रिप्टो डॉल की तरफ से आता हुआ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. योर स्ट्रीम इज अमेजिंग. नाउ योर स्ट्रीम ऑलवेज फुल ऑफ पॉजिटिव वेब एंड ग्रेट एनर्जी. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो डॉल एंड क्रिप्टो ल्यू. आपका शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो डॉल, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया खूबसूरत कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए. थैंक्स फॉर द कमेंट्स माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो डॉल. नाउ द स्टेट मैनेजमेंट. Remember, the player may not access, so you need to check if you are accessed before the accessing for the model. It is using better pattern machine to handle the both accenting and non-accenting player cross for the accent player income contract. Thank you so much all of you. Crypto you, thank you so much for joining. Now the error handling. Return application across the based on operation of the result. Use the privacy definite area player and text content. Thank you so much. Now the state assess. How to assess and the mode player specific state. Error handling. How to handle virus edge case and the error content. Now the state premise. How to property store update state. Thank you so much Crypto Doll. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. I am good and also thank you and good to see you. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. क्रिप्टो डॉल, थैंक यू सो मच एंड आल्सो गुड टू सी यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए। Thank you so much for joining Crypto Doll. Crypto, thank you. Have a good day. Same to you, my dear friend, Crypto Doll. तो आगे चलते हैं. Now the Crypto Doll and Bondality. Thank you so much. Now the my dear friend model and the global state. The global state of roll-up application and maintains the state variable which is the global variable when you the model global state you need to update and state variable for the example. Thank you so much. आप दोस्तों का शुक्र. Now the step number 6 I tell you, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. Step number 6, now the intercheating with the ZK WSM HUB hub. Now the ZK WSM HUB hotted to the cleared service providing by the development app feeding. Thank you so much. I guess the stream is seeing me. Thank you. Cryptolu. Service and creation on the private ZK WSM space. The ZK WSM hub provide automatic providing and betting service the application workload with the customization WSM extension Viva WSM most application interface. Now the moreover the distribution the GitHub application into the ZK WSM up by the auto application and updating service overall the provide. Number 1 application image development and step. Number 2 batching and generate the WZK-AM. Thank you all of you, my dear friend. Now the submit your application to ZK WSM hub. Thank you Shaigon, Umar and other friend. Thank you so much. Now the let's back to the Hello World app application to see the interact with the ZK WSM hub and in the directory to the Hello World rollup application if you have to build the modif application run. तो ये एप्लीकेशन आप देख सकते हैं आपके सामने मौजूद है जो आप देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. नाउ द roll up, now the restore to the state. Thank you so much. After the shifting down and started server roll up application, you may find that the state has been reset to the Intel value and happened because the service entails maker 3 row to the Intel value on the startup. Thank you so much, Yuzuko. Thank you so much, Yuzuko. Now the manual construction. Thank you so much. If you are testing with you are the ZK and hub, you can mutually set to the market role. Thank you so much all of you. तो आपके सामने मौजूद हैं. हम बात कर रहे हैं ओवरव्यू के ऊपर और अभी आपको ZK वसीम ओवरव्यू दिखाता हूं. Now the introduction of ZK WSM WASM. Thank you, Wasim Akram. Now the overview of this, my dear friend. Thank you so much. The ZK WSM respected to the fundamental advancement in the field of the trustly computation by the combined WebAssembly with the zero knowledge proof of proof. The system implementation complete WebAssembly virtual mechanism. Thank you so much, says Zuro. Now the ZK SNRK. The circuits creating the bridge between the traditional application development and blockchain technology. The approach allows the developer to write program in similar language with the governance in the benefit of zero knowledge proof without the running specification cryptograph knowledge. Thank you, Matai Ali. Thank you so much. Now the next one is I tell you, my dear friend, the core invitation of the core invitation of the ZK WSM is lies to approach to implementation zero knowledgeable proof return and requirement development to write program in the explicit circulation friendly language. ZKM application to the knowledgeable proofable and the bytecode level for the virtual mechanism. The means that the program can be complete a WebAssembly and automatic benefits from zero knowledgeable applications, making the technology accessible to much broader range of the development application. Thank you so much. Now the traditional approach and implementation of zero knowledge proof. Thank you so much for joining. Traditional application implementation zero knowledge proof for the offering required development to work with the specialization language and tools like Pinology, Frame, Road to Zecto, and the Create extension application. ZK Wasim and the approved by the application WebAssembly level glowing and developer to work language that already know, such as the assembly script. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. So, my dear friend, this is the white paper. So, I tell you the Candy Drop 54th Candy Drop X ZK Wasim trade to share 1000000 ZK WASM. Candy Drop is the Gate airdrop reward platform where user complete the task to earn candies and the share to token airdrop. We are extending to the announced ZK Wasim token airdrop event. Complete the task below to the earn candies and claim share of 1000000 ZKM page prize pool. Details: maximum 2500 ZKM Wasim per user. Details: future trading pool 50000 ZK Wasim, individual cap 1000. Thank you. Now the spot trading proof of 4000000 ZK Wasim, individual cap 1000 ZK WASAM. VIP price pool 2000 20000 ZK WSM, fixed reward to 500 ZK Wasim. Airdrop formula: your candies total candies price pool. Spot trading task of calculation formula your spot trading volume to the total spot trade volume. तो इसको भी ज्वाइन करते हैं. Now the event period July 22 2025 12 UTC and 31 July 2025 13 UTC. तो इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं. Thank you so much for joining. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. So the you see the thank you. Now the Delpens Lab ZK Wasim and WebAssembly. Now the 1000000 and now 7409. Thank you so much all of you. तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. The price pool 1000000 and now the price pool you see my dear friend. आपके सामने price pool आपके सामने बताता चलूं. And now the thank you so much. तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. FAQ. Thank you the Candy Drop. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. चलते हैं FAQ की जानिब. आपको मैं आपको चाइनीज़ में भी बता सकता था, फिर मैंने कहा मेरे दोस्तों को समझ नहीं आएगी. Now the activity rules I tell you. First of all, VIP user who complete upload the future trading task will receive the reward of 500 ZK Wasim per person. The total price pool of 2000000 ZK WASM. Reward will distribute on the first come first served beyond the issue of the event. Thank you the FAQ. Thank you so much for joining. Now the Candy Drop. I tell you my dear friend, what are the requirements to participate in Candy Drops? User participation Candy Drop are required to complete identity verification. To click the join button to the event page only after successful joining. Will activity data be continued? Market enterprises institutions are eligible to participation is in the event. Thank you. The next one my dear friend, when will candies be distributed the completing task? Candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after user completing the task. Please log in to check candies and candied after 3 hours. Now the what is the VIP exclusive prize pool and the how become a VIP. Thank you so much. The VIP prize pool. Thank you so much. The VIP prize pool, exclusive prize pool, and including a VIP user. Only VIP user can participate in this service. Reward is a gate VIP. You unlock the exclusive packs, launching, lower testing, accelerating the high product customization, broadening, and the cap one on the account management, access to the VIP only event and solution gift and the merchandisation. Click here to the more become VIP. Now, what are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Thank you. User participate in the Candy Drop are required to complete identity verification and click to join button on the event page. Only after successful joining will their activity data and conduct market enterprises and institution are not eligible to participate in the event. तो हमने इसको अभी ज्वाइन किया था दोस्तों. अभी हम चलते हैं वापसी की जानिब. थैंक यू कि कैंडी ड्रॉप के ऊपर मालूमात दे रहा हूं आपको. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. नाउ द future trading pools. Thank you, Gate user friend. What is the streamer vision of today market? Thank you for joining, my dear friend, and welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much, Gate user friend. Now the future trading pool rules. During the event, user with the calculate the ZK Wasim future trading volume open close 30,000 USDD. Earn candies and share to the 40000 ZK Wasim pool. Maximum 9 candies per user with a cap of 1000 ZK Wasim. Now the ZK WASM trading volume 30,000 USD 1 candy and ZK Wasim trading volume 50,000 USD 3 candies. And now ZK Wasim trading volume 80,000 5 candies. Thank you, Yuzunko and Gizu. Now number 2, spot trading pool rules. User with the complete ZK Wasim spot trading volume by volume same volume 55,000 USD can share price pool of 40,000 ZK Wasim based on their ZK spot trading volume with the cap of 1000 ZK Wasim. The more you try to more reward. Thank you. VIP user price pool. During the event, VIP user will receive the fixed reward 5,000 after completing the following spot trading tasks. The total price pool is 200,000 ZK available on the first come first trade. Now reward will be ZK Wasim spot trading volume 50,000 USDD. Zakam ZK Wasim future trading volume 20,000. Thank you so much once again. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Thank you so much. Now the project information. Thank you, my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया. Now the project. The Delpines Lab is the core development team beyond the ZK Wasim, the first open source virtual machine and eligible to zero knowledge proof generation of WebAssembly, and it is enabled to verified of the chain competition and sport model rollup architecture. The ecosystem including the ZK initiative launchpad for developing the provide DAPI transaction use. Now the game backed by the top their investors such as the Binance Labs, Hakash Capital, Marina Venture, and the 7x ZK Wasim is the possibility access to ZK infrastructure layer to scalable trustworthy Web3 application. Now the token ZK WASM and official website आपको बताई मैंने दोस्तों. अभी हम चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. एक और पेज है हमारे पास. गेट अल्फा लिस्टेड ZK Wasim trade to share 500,000 ZK Wasim airdrop. Thank you so much. The Gate Alpha listed ZK Wasim time limited airdrop bonus event live trade to share airdrop pool. Now the Queen ZK WASM full name ZK WASM public chain PNB chain. कॉन्टैक्ट एड्रेस आपके सामने. जब प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, ये अभी मैंने आपको प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया है. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. नाउ द इवेंट पीरियड 22 जुलाई 13 UTC एंड जुलाई 27 to 2025 559. तो इसको भी हम ज्वाइन करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड. आपका शुक्रिया. नाउ गेट अल्फा लिस्टेड ZK Wasim ट्रेड शेयर 500,000 ZK. थैंक यू सो मच. इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं दोस्तों हम भी. थैंक यू. और हमारी सक्सेसफुल हो चुकी है रजिस्ट्रेशन. तो वापसी चलते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं, आपको बताते हैं इसका फाइनल राउंड के ऊपर मौजूद हैं हम। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, हैप्पी स्काईफॉल एंड अदर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। नाउ द अनलॉकिंग रूल, unlock 100%. In a gate launch pool, always user to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project official launches, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining begins. Now the reward distribution. The system will distribute token reward to user spot account every hour based on the proportion of assets staked by each. Thank you so much. The newcomers exclusive staking pools. Thank you. Newcomer only news user sign up after the July 2025 at 00 UTC are eligible. How to participate? Log into your Gate account and complete identity verification. Native launch pool. Hold at last 0.1 USD ZK Wasim click stake. Thank you so much. The project introduction once again I tell you. Now the developer lab is so complete. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड, आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू, थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड। तो अभी चलते हैं हम आगे की तरफ और आपको गेट लैब इन्वेस्टमेंट डिस्क्लोजर की तरफ ले चलते हैं। नाउ द गेट लैब्स डिड नॉट invest in the ZK Wasim ZKWASM note। Finally हम बताते हैं आपको, Gate Launch Pool is an initiative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USD and other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with the low entry barriers and high APR. It is ultimate platform to effect market opportunities. Number 2, please complete identity verification before the participation in the launch pool to ensure the security of your account assets. Number 3, please adhere to relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is penalty. Any cheating behavior will result disqualification of the reward. Number 4, where and any discrepancy areas between the translate version and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Gate reserve all right to the final explosion. Now number 5, this event is not affiliated with the Apple link. Number 7, user in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access to service including the participation in the event, game or competition. See the user agreement for the future details of the restricted location. Now the risk warning. Thank you so much. Now the risk warning I tell you my dear friend, thank you so much. The project team does not guarantee that the token price will be not lower than the Intel sale price. Please invest with the equation and do not invest beyond your financial capacity. Number 2, crypto project is still into the Intel stage. Factor including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activity might to the contribute to certification risk. Number 3, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to the understand and evaluate the interest of crypto asset. Number 4, the market value height and the price of token reflect defectly to the technical regularity and the marking factor. Now number 5, user may not able to withdraw all the purchase token due to the technical issue of the project or gate. Now gate team July 21 2025 gateway to crypto, trade over 35 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate data. You take action, sign up and clean up to 10,000 welcome reward. Invite friend to earn 40% commission. Stay content. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow on X Twitter to get more business. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topic. Engage with a global community. Transparency and security check our 100% proof of reserve. Thank you so much. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया, फॉलो किया, लाइक किया और कमेंट्स किया। ख़ास तौर पर क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी, क्रिप्टो डॉल, क्रिप्टो ल्यू एंड शाइनिंग मून। इन तमाम ही दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ, इन्होंने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया कमेंट्स के साथ। तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरा टॉपिक था गेट विल लॉन्च द 285 लॉन्च पूल ZKWSM स्टेक USD ZK वसीम टू अर्न एयर ड्रॉप, और इसकी तमाम तर डिटेल मैंने आप दोस्तों के साथ शेयर की, प्रोजेक्ट की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट और वाइट पेपर भी दिखाया। तो थैंक यू वंस अगेन ऑल ऑफ माय ऑल फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग टुडे। तो इंशाल्लाह कल आपसे दोबारा हम मुलाकात करेंगे एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ बात करेंगे। तो कल तक दीजिएगा इजाज़त, अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, अपने दुआओं में ज़रूर याद रखिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ।